Assalamu alaikum pretty people. Thanks again for your time. It's my pleasure to you are watching my English practice video. This is Mohammed Prantale. Today I am going to tell you now the power of good habit. Truly speaking, in this generation, most of the successful people they are follow and they had to made one good habit. After that, they have been success in this generation. So if we be a successful person in our life, you must follow one habit and you have to make one good habit. Like at this moment, I can speak in English without hesitation. But when first time I have started this make video and English practice, that time it wasn't easy. But I didn't give up. So every day I make video. That's why at this moment, without hesitation, I'm able to make video every day. So many people they are make habit advantage and a number of people they are make habit disadvantage side. Like in this generation, such as young generation, they are try to make habit disadvantage side, such as Facebook Reels, TikTok, and YouTube short video. Actually, this is very harmful in our future, particularly Reels and TikTok. All time you thinking just I use Facebook Reels 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but when you scrolling your phone after 1 year, 2 years later, you thinking my 2 hours time already finished, but you thought I use just 15 minutes. So you think this is this generation reels is very harmful and we are make it habit, so it's enough to damage our future. And some people they are make habit good advantage side, like study. For example, 5 months 4 months ago I didn't like English book, but when I properly focus, because that time I couldn't understand English rules and regulation, but I tried to properly understand and focus this English grammars, rules and book. After that, when I am at this moment, all time I feel and my mind say you should all time study English book because it's make me habit. So when you first time try to make any kinds of good time, that time you feel problem, but you should consistency maintain. If you maintain the consistency, you will be success in your life. So to sum up, my honest request for my all audience, you should make a goal and every day maintain consistency to achieve your this goal. That's all about today's video topic.